Hi, I'm Miriam Joy and welcome to my studio. Today on our quick tips, we're going to show you how to use paint sticks to help you measure easier. This has kind of helped me, especially doing the mesh or the tubing, the mesh tubing, and it makes it a little bit simpler. So let's get started. Today in our quick tip, I want to kind of give you an idea of how to measure without pulling out your ruler. I don't know about you guys, but I go along and I'm measuring something. I want to know how long it is. I have to stop and look for the number. So if you were going to 8, you have to stop and look for that number. And I know that sounds easier than it really is, but what you can do is use a paint stick, and you can put one on at a time, or you could put a couple on a time. Right here I need 6 inches, so I'm going to just simply draw on my paint stick. Your paint sticks you can get free in the paint section or a paint store, different places like that. Another thing is you can put what color, or have different colors, so you know, like you're doing the purple one, so you don't have to look. Like if I needed to do a 6-inch or a 5-inch on this one, I can make it purple, or excuse me, green, something to stand out so you know that, oh, I'm measuring up to the green. So like on this one now I have the 6, and I could just simply sit here and cut, and it goes real fast. Well, I hope you enjoyed our quick tip, and I hope you use that and save a little bit of time and frustration. If you ever have a question, you can always email me at art@miriamjoy.com. Thank you, and God bless.